Hello dear students, welcome back to e-classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School Standard 12 Commerce subject Statistics. Today we are going to continue with the short sums of this chapter. Let us take this first question, read it. For two variables x equal to rainfall, y is equal to yield of maize quintal per hectare, find the regression equation of y on x. Now see what's the data which is given. Covariance is 120, mean of x is 30, variance of x is 150 and mean of y is 25. Now the first thing for finding regression equation, what we are going to do, we will find b. Here covariance is given. So the formula for b will be covariance xy upon variance of x. Covariance is 120, so we will substitute over here. Variance of x is 150, so we will substitute over here, and we will get the value of b as 0.8. Now let's find the value of a. What is a? Y bar minus bx bar. Now if you see over here, what is y bar? 25. So let's substitute over here, that is 25. B we have got it as 0.8. X bar, if you see, it is 30. So when you substitute over here 30, we will find the value of A. So the answer will be 1. Now what is the regression line of y on x? The formula is y is equal to A plus bx. So when you substitute the value of A, B, we will get the equation as y is equal to 1 plus 0.8x. Let's take the other question. The coefficient of correlation between two variables is 0.8 and their means are respectively 20 and 25. So we can take x bar as 20, y bar as 25. Standard deviations are 8 and 10. So we can take Sx as 8, Sy as 10. And correlation coefficient was 0.8, so R is 0.8. Now what we are supposed to find? Regression line of y on x and then the value of y when x is 12. So what is the formula for B? R Sy upon Sx. Now substitute. R is 0.8, Sy is 10, Sx is 8. So when we solve this, we will get the value of B as 1. Now what is A? Y bar minus bx bar. Substitute y bar as 25, b as 1, x bar as 20. So the value of A, we will get it as 5. Now what is regression line of y on x? Y is equal to A plus bx. So substitute A as 5, b as 1. So the equation will become y is equal to 5 plus x. This is the line of regression. Now what is the value of x? 12. So substitute in this equation. You will get y is equal to 5 plus 12. So your answer will be 17. So when x is 12, y will be 17. Let's take another question. The information is available for 1500 students of a college. Their heights in centimeter and weights in kg are given to us. So mean is 160, weight mean is 55, SD is 5 and 2.5. So we will take it as mean of height, that is x bar is 160, mean of weight, that is y bar is 55, Sx is 5, Sy is 2.5. Then correlation coefficient between height and weight is 0.8. So R will be 0.8. Now what we are supposed to do? We have to find the regression line. So for finding regression line, what is the formula for B? R Sy upon Sx. What is R? 0.8. Sy is 2.5, Sx is 5. So when you substitute, you will get the value of B as 0.4. Now let's find the value of A. A is y bar minus bx bar. So that will be 55 minus 0.4 into 160. That is x bar. So when you solve this, A will be minus 9. Now the regression line is y is equal to A plus bx. So when you substitute the value, your equation will be minus 9 plus 0.4x. Now when x is 55, substitute in this equation, you will get y is equal to 53. Let's take another question. Obtain regression equation of y, that is rainfall, and yield of maize quintal per hectare for the following data. Now here mean is 20 for x and 25 for y. Sx is 2 for x and 12 for y. So x bar will be 20, y bar is 25, Sx is 4, Sy is 12, and the covariance xy, this is 43.2. So now we can find first thing, that is B. What is B? Sxy upon Sx square. So that is 43.2 upon 16 we are having over here, because Sx is 4, so square of x, Sx will give you 16. So when you solve this, your value will be 2.7 for B. Now what is A? Y bar minus bx bar. So substitute y bar as 25, B as 2.7 and x bar as 20. So your value of A will be minus 29. So your linear equation will be y equal to minus 29 plus 2.7x. Let's do one more sum. The following information is obtained for two variables. Using it, determine whether the assumptions are valid or not. If it is valid, we have to find the linear regression equation. Data which is given is that n is 20, sigma x is 240, sigma y 160, sigma xy is 1760, sigma x square is 3000, and sigma y square is 1500. Now first step is find x bar. Now x bar is sigma x by n. So this will be 240 by 20 and your answer will be 12. Y bar is sigma y upon n. So that will be 160 upon 20. So your answer will be 8. So for checking whether the equation is valid or not, we have to find correlation coefficient R first. So what is R? N sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divide by under root of n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square into under root of n sigma y square minus sigma y the whole square. Now substitute the values in this equation and then solve it. So you will get the value of R, and then after that find its square. So when you find R square will be plus 0.9604. Now 0.9604 means that R square is 0.96, which is close to 1 or near to 1. Now when the value of coefficient of determination, that is R square, is near to 1, assumption is true. So when the assumption is true, we have to find linear equation. What is the formula for linear equation? Y is equal to A plus bx. So for that, the first thing which we have to find is B. B is n sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. So when you substitute, your value of B will be minus 1.33. Now what is A? Y bar minus bx bar. Substitute the values. So you will get the value of A as 8 minus 1.33 into 12. So your answer will be 23.96. So what is the linear equation? 23.96 minus 1.33x. So this is the linear equation. I hope you have understood the short sums, and with this we finish the topics of this chapter. That is, we come to an end of this chapter. In the next session we are going to start with the other chapter, that is chapter number 4. Till then, revise this chapter thoroughly because it is a very, very important chapter. Till then, go through this topic, write down the sums. Thank you.